Welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. And exciting, we have our new mini catalogue, our autumn winter, going from September to December. So if you love Stampin' Up goodies, then do speak to your Stampin' Up demonstrator about that. If you are a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I'm here to help you with new printables, and these are printables for all the designer paper, all the embellishments and fancy papers, ribbon, and as I say, all the little the bling and the embellishments on there. So everything is on these printables for you. These are really for if you are doing in-person classes or events, and these are going to function as an index for you. On there, on each of the items, we have got the page number so we can find it. But to save you more time, I've also got the item number. I've got the cost of the item in US, Canadian, Australian and New Zealand dollars, also UK pounds and euros. So wherever you are in the world, you've got the price. I've also included on here all of the how much, how long is the ribbon, how many pieces of bling, how many pieces of pretty paper or whatever it is. I've actually included that information as well. It can be a little bit difficult to find. And we want you to be the expert when your lovely customers are asking. So this is printable expertise just for you. If you would like these, I make a small charge. It's £4, which is about $5 US-ish, depending on what PayPal are doing with conversion rates at the moment. And if you look down below, you will see a link to our Ready Set Demo blog, where these are available for you to purchase, and I will ping them over to your email inbox as soon as I see your payment come in. We do all sorts of other things over on Ready Set Demo, so there are some free printables as well. There's lots of inspiration. I've got a video going up today also for the hang and ornament bundle as well, so I've got some inspiration up for that. We've recently had a Fancy Folds library class release, so another 10 fancy folds featuring some things from this catalogue, so check that out if you haven't seen that, also at Ready Set Demo and down below. If this is the sort of thing you're interested in and you enjoy, then do make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, but also down below we've got a newsletter, and I would love to keep you up to date. Usually it's about twice a month that I get in contact with you with some fun inspiration and other things that might be helpful. At the moment, I think I've got an extra one coming because there's so much that is exciting coming to Stampin' Up that I think I can help you with. So thanks very much for visiting Ready Set Demo today. Grab your printables if you think they will help you, and I'll look forward to welcoming you back again soon. Bye.